Welcome to GCCars. My name is Eric and today we're going to take a highway POV to test drive in this 2021 Cadillac XT4 Sport. As always, we're going to test the adaptive cruise control, which we don't have in this one. So we're going to test the lane keep assist and the handling in this 2021 Cadillac XT4. You see some exterior shots right now, or the stats or something like that. But I'm just going to bring you back from that. We're going to put it into sport mode, which enables all-wheel drive. And we're gonna get ready to do our little handling test. I just came out of a truck last week, so this is gonna be pretty sporty feeling afterwards. A lot of front end grip. Could have pushed even harder, but we were actually hitting the speed limit there, which is rare. So yeah, that was very undramatic. Wait, non-dramatic. That's very, you know what I mean. That was just very easy to do. So that was pretty good. That was pretty good. Nice to see that. Also, you see the low tire pressure warning. Don't worry about that. I had a low tire pressure, and I fixed that a couple minutes ago. So it just needs a little time to reset and figure out that all that is okay. But yeah, before I forget telling you about that, as always, also have a full-on review about this 2021 Cadillac XT4. You can just find that in the top right-hand corner, and we talk about the interior, the exterior, how it drives, and if you should buy this, or go with the competition. All that in the review in the top right-hand corner. And obviously, we also have more POV drives. A night POV drive where we test the high beams and the high beam assist, and we have a city POV drive, which is just a little more testing it how it is in stop and go and just a regular drive. Now, next thing I wanted to test, like I said, is the lane keep assist. We do have cruise control in this, but it's not adaptive. That's an option that is not ticked on this specific XT4. But let's enable the lane keep assist, and I'm pretty sure that's probably not going to do much. We'll see. It has the lane, and it steers us a little back in. It does some steering, but yeah, there we go. Okay. Well, it actually did more than I expected it to do. It's not a lane centering assist or anything, or like any active steering assist. It's a very basic lane keep assist, which just kind of, as soon as you start drifting out of the lane, it keeps you back in. But it did steer further than I expected. Can drift out. There's nobody around us on the left-hand side a little, just at a shallow angle. Don't really want to. There's a car coming, never mind. But I mean, yeah, we've pretty much seen what it does. Can do it a little more here, and it keeps us pretty well. And there we go. Now I have to turn it free. So actually, it's a little better than I expected, but still, like, it's as long as lane keep assists aren't like really actively steering, just like in a Kia Genesis or more active Mercedes with the Distronic Plus steering assist. I really don't use them all that much, I'll be honest, because quite frankly, it's just they make me feel like I'm a better driver. Just sometimes when you're on a long drive, maybe you get a little tired or fatigued, and occasionally, and then it can happen that you start drifting out of your lanes a little. And with one of these lane keep assists, I don't notice that as easily. So I feel like, oh yeah, I'm still paying attention because I'm clearly keeping in the lanes, until it happens that the lane keep assist turns off or doesn't work in one corner, something like that, and then you're just like, oh damn, just say a friendly word. I'm suddenly almost in the next lane. So it's just, I don't know, nice to have. I don't use them though. But also these highway POV drives, well, all POV drives, I just want to give you a chance to also hear how it is to drive the car. So not only see it out of the first person, but also hear. So I'm just going to be quiet for a couple of seconds while you take in the sounds. also do a little pull. I'll just downshift with the paddles I have. 7th, 6th, 4th, 5th, half of. There comes the turbo. And yeah, not the most powerful car, but definitely powerful enough, I would say. Really for daily driving, you don't need more power than this. You do not need more power. And we saw, like in the handling test, that it actually fared pretty well. That wasn't, the understeer really started to come in way later than I expected in our handling test there. Normally cars start to understeer a lot earlier, so good on General Motors and Cadillac for engineering this pretty well. Although of course from like one turn, obviously I like this, whenever you see the videos, it's not the first time I'm doing this in the car. Like I inch my way closer, but you know, it's just I forgot where I was going with this. I forgot it. Anyhow, let's turn off here. I think we've seen everything we wanted to see, tested everything we wanted to test. Let's take this a little slower. Don't need to do another handling test. I've already done that. But yeah, that was pretty much the highway POV drive. Sorry that all the POV drives lately, or almost all POV drives lately, have been done at night. It's just that I am insanely busy. This doesn't, like, I don't earn enough with this channel for me to be able to live off that. Not even close. So I have to do another job, and at the same time I'm working on my marketing degree, so I literally push 80-hour weeks every single week, which sometimes makes it a little hard to film during the day, especially for these night highway periods. I also have to watch out that there isn't too much traffic so we can do the test. So sometimes it just happens to be that it will be at night. I hope that's okay, but we always have the city POV drive, which is during the day, and we obviously also have the full review, which is me during the day. But yeah, I think we're just gonna stop the video here while driving. Videos will appear somewhere on your screen for the full review and some other videos. And yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you liked, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any more videos. We upload new videos every Friday at 11 a.m. And the full review for this this Cadillac XT4, my god, I'm sorry, it is late. Cadillac XT4 is online and on your screen. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked it, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, and goodbye.